Space, the final frontier. This is the 2.5-year journey of the build of the Starship Enterprise. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 73 of building the Enterprise D. I've already done some stuff. That's why I've got the saucer section ready to go. Basically, I've put the windows in and put the lights in. You've seen me do it dozens of times before. I don't need to show you every time, I'm sure. If you would prefer me to go through it again or every time or anything, leave a comment, let me know. But I'm pretty sure that's easy. That is going to be sitting down there. The part from last time is going to be sitting up there. But we've got an extra bulb, which we need to do before we do any of that. Also in this time we've got this, which is for the other part, which we're not doing until next time anyway. So first of all, I've got to install this. It's going into, oh, if I can see, I've got it the wrong way up now. It's going to be backwards. It's to that one. It's going in there. There's one, then there's two gaps, and then this one plugs in there. Next to where there isn't, next to where there's a already filled one anyway. So that's going to go there conveniently. Let's just flick it on to make sure. Yep, they've come on. I've rerouted the switch from down there because obviously we're going to be filling that gap now. I'm going to leave it just sort of in the middle so we can get to it when I need to next time, and you know, when I want to play with the switches. So that is going in there. Then the two gaps, that's why we've got these two gaps. It's for these two. So it's got us rerouting this. Obviously, this is going to be sitting here. So they need to go through there. There's a panel there, so it can't go exactly there. So we'll have to go around either side of that, I think. Tweezers will come in useful for that. We can feed that through there, then through that gap. Then that will come along where it needs to be. This one, is there a gap? There's a gap that side as well, which is just as well, because I'm pretty sure it wouldn't fit going through the other way. So let's grab that there. Actually not through there, I need to grab it the other side of that. Another gap there, feed that through there. Go. Right, so let's get these two plugged in as well. That one in there. Come on, it's not that difficult. I've even got it the right way round, so I know it should go in. There we go. That goes in there, and the other one from the other side, there it is. Again, get it the right way round. Reach in through there, that'll do. That one will go in there. So once again, a quick flick of the switch. Lights coming on there, all happily. Happy, happy, happy. So, what's that? Oh, that's the wire that I've just figured out. So to plug in. These are going to go onto the top of that. So, if that's going to go there, I'm going to ignore the instructions and just route it myself. It might be correct, but it's the way that makes more sense to me rather than necessarily just blindly following the instructions. They'll come through there. So once that's there, these have got to go this side on the other side of that. Get that under there and back up here. Right. So, yeah, that's going in there, that's going in there, and then all of the screws in the world hold it together. They're all FM screws, basically down the other side. Three screws down there. One on there, two on that bit. No, one on that bit. What am I counting through? I have two on that bit. I've miscounted that one. So that's going there. Before I do that, I'm going to get these wires out of the way, because they don't want to get through the other side of that. So that's going there like so. Yep. one bulb is going there. And the other is going, oh, nearly dropped it. Going through there. Now there. So, can I do that first and then put the other one in? Or do I need to do them both sort of together? I think I probably need to do them both sort of together. That's got to go over there. While that goes under there. And that's got to go under there. Right, so that's got to go under there, but it's already got a bit there. So it's just got to sort of wedge in. And then the whole thing's got to come in. Right, that makes sense to me. But before I do that, flick the switch one more time. Yeah, lights coming on in various different places. All so far, so good. So let me just manipulate this a little bit. Get that down. Why is that not lining up there? It sort of is, but it also sort of isn't. I can see this saucer section becoming more of a problem as the build progresses. As you've got to get around different parts and different areas. Everything's going to have to be. If you make a mistake on one little bit, then it's going to progress on and be more of a mistake on the next bit. And then more of a mistake on the next bit. Until it all just doesn't work properly. But that seems to be just about there. If I let go of it, it's going to pop up a little bit, but that's okay. Let me get 3 of these screws out. And see if I can get any of them hold in place. On through there. It's feeling like it's going into a screw hole, and it's not moving very much afterwards, so that should be okay. Let's try the top one, so that's the one that I think is going to be a problem. I'm not sure. And something's moving. It's tightening. So yeah, so far so good. Last one down the bottom there. That should be easy, because if that one above it went in, then this one's pretty much got to go in, hasn't it? So it has. Although I do notice around here there's a little bit of a. I think that's going to sort itself out when the bottom panel goes in place over there. So that's okay. There's a bit of a gap down there, but again, it's the underside. There's going to be gaps in certain places anyway. So I'm not too concerned. Let me tighten these up and then I shall flick the switch one more time just to make sure. But I'm pretty confident that all of these lights will come on. There we go. Even got another one there ready to go for next time. So yeah, we've got the lights coming on these bits, some slightly dimmer ones under here, which you can see just about. These are coming on as well. So yeah, we're getting there. It's all coming along. And the other side is still looking pretty damn nice, even if I do say so myself. I'm liking it quite a lot. So there we have it. The next stage completed. One more stage in this month's delivery, but the next month is already on its way. So there should be more coming along very, very shortly. Hopefully you're enjoying the build. If you are, do let me know. If you're not, also let me know. But, you know, either way, I'll see you very soon for some more. Well, unless you don't watch, in which case I won't. But I'm sure you will. You'll be back for more, won't you? Yeah. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.